Hi everyone. So a new year and a new decade. So happy new year to you all, and thank you so much to everybody who worked so hard over the festive period. I know that people picked up some unplanned hours and unplanned shifts and filled gaps because some people got flu and were very ill. We really appreciate it. We did really well over the whole couple of weeks and really kept the service afloat. So huge thank you to everyone. Most important thing today is to update you all on the IUC tender. So the process is really underway now. The executive team are spending large chunks of it nearly every day going through template answers, going through some drafts, creating the operational model, deciding how this is all going to work. And we're making real progress with the bid writers, and Scott Lingard, of course, our bid director, is doing a great job keeping us all on track. Big shout out also to the project management office who are also involved with this and really doing some sterling work. So the work continues for another couple of weeks until final submission on the 29th of January. Two positions currently advertised, finance manager and a sport manager. So if you know anyone who's interested or you're interested yourself, the jobs are on NHS Jobs. And well done to our practices in Sefton who received a huge amount of cards and gifts and boxes of biscuits and chocolates and all sorts of things all over Christmas. Standout was Thornton. Yay, Thornton practice, 30 boxes of chocolate and biscuits. Hope there's some left. You may remember at base as well that Sainsbury's gifted us some selection boxes which went to the asylum practice, and the kids there were delighted to receive them. We've got a couple of new starters, and I'm delighted to say that our new patient experience and engagement officer has started. His name is Kevin Aston. He'll be working Wednesday to Friday and really formulating a strategy we're going to use for the next few years to start engaging on a much more proactive level with our patients. Welcome also to Jean Annan, who is our new organisational development practitioner, who'll be working in HR on a full-time basis. There's some deaf awareness training happening on the 23rd of January. It's actually fully booked, so keep an eye out for some more dates. Really good to see people interested in that. You'll also be delighted to hear that we're kicking off the new year with a full review of our Datix setup. So Datix will continue as our incident and complaints and risk management database, but we're going to rehaul it completely really and redo it and make it much more fit for PC24 use. So those changes will be rolled out over the next few months, so keep an eye out for that. Big shout out to Pat Maddox, who raised money for a colleague, an ex-colleague here at PC24 over Christmas time. It's going to make a massive impact in this person's life, and Pat deserves huge congratulations for her work. So well done, Pat, and everyone who contributed and supported. You'll see a communication survey in your inbox. Please do take a minute to fill it out. Really interested in your views on how you like to be communicated with from head office and even between yourselves. It may be that you hate this film, so I'd be happy to not do it anymore. So do let us know. And finally, best of luck to Netherton practice next Tuesday, the 14th. They will be undergoing their CQC inspection. There's a huge amount of work gone into it. We know we're absolutely ready. And thanks so much to the practice manager and all the people who've been working towards next Tuesday at Netherton. I'm sure it'll go great, guys. Speak to you soon.